Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my first handbag collection video. I don't have a huge collection like a lot of YouTubers do, but it's nice enough to share. So let's begin. I'll show you my first and well, most favorite bag at this point. My most favorite and a lot that I use is this one from Tommy Hilfiger. This is a medium satchel. I hope that's what you call it. I'm sorry, I'm not good with names, but this is a red faux leather say bag, and I absolutely love it because the size is just perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it fits a lot of my stuff. It is super spacious. It opens up with this button, and inside, apart from the black lining, there is one pocket here, and then there is this zipper with this nice little cute zipper here, and it of course has the Hilfiger logo printed all over, and it also has this side pocket here which opens up separately, and I love the super stylish zipper here. So this is how it opens up. It's a little pocket in its own, and then of course there's the front pocket which has a wide opening. It opens up widely. I'll show it to you right now. Da-da-da-da. It's good for keeping like cell phones and money, of course, but you gotta be careful what you keep, because you know, this part is actually quite well easily reachable. Sorry about that. So, and of course it has the signature Tommy Hilfiger logo tag on the front. It usually, I mean, I kind of just forget about this at times, but the entire bag is extremely beautiful. It also has a separate long strap with golden detailing all over, as you can see everywhere. So I usually carry this a lot. I have used this a lot since I bought it. I bought it like last year, and I mean, I've actually used this roughly. Not I've not been like super careful with it, or, you know, picking up every time, not keeping it also on the ground, or you know, not like throwing it off. I'm sorry, I'm very bad with handbags, but yes, it has still been sturdy and still beautiful and still very strong. So yeah, I love this bag, and I got it from I believe last year I got it before the Black Friday sale, so it was already on a good price, but I got it before Black Friday. Next bag I have is again from Hilfiger. This one I got from Winners. I did not pick this up from the store. It is a black and gold tote bag, and I'm sorry, this poor guy is kind of, well, not very clean. I need to clean this up. So it has a huge front pocket with the signature logo print. Wow, really become dirty. Okay, and this is it's quite spacious from the inside, this front pocket, and then of course there's the first inner pocket, then the zipper, and then there's another inner pocket with the zipper and signature logo style and everything. So I got this from Winners. The only defect, you know, because Winners sometimes the price is cheap, but there is something wrong with the item, and I wish I had seen this at the store, but I did not. So when I came home, I came to know that this zipper was missing. It did not have the zipper. And you see that this zipper actually it's very similar to the one on my red bag, but this zipper is not Tommy Hilfiger signature zipper. This is the Aldo zipper. I'll show you too here if you can see. It has Aldo written over here. I had an old Aldo bag that I wanted to get rid of. It was like it was done. It was like torn and all. So I just pulled out the zipper from there and I attached it to this bag. Nobody even knows, but yes, my bag is complete now, and it has this gold chain detailing. I am bonkers for chains and glitter. Both of these things I love, love, love. Chains and glitter. So anything that I see is like it has a chain on it, especially bags or shoes. They just, you know, I just have to have them. They drive me crazy. And of course the glitter. So this is my tummy bag. I have also used this roughly. As you can see, the front part actually was quite dusty. I'm sorry about that, but I need to clean it. But yes, this is also a good bag, good day bag. Oops, I'm sorry, my camera keeps running out of focus. But yeah, it is also good for traveling. The only drawback that well, I don't know, it's not even a drawback, but I just wish that this had a like complete like one zipper on the you know, on the front here, so that the entire compartment would close and it didn't have like exposure to, you know, it didn't expose like these pockets here. I don't know, I just, I don't know, it's my thing. I just don't feel safe that way with my stuff. But anyway, I do have it now and I do use it the way it is, so no more complaints. Okay, my third bag and my second favorite is again, my Guess bag. I bought this from the Guess store last year, and it is a beautiful tote bag. Again, what with a slightly different curvy design and the signature logo that I love, 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 love. And it also came with this little cute little charm here. I love charms on bags, pom-poms or keychains, I mean, that are like, you know, kind of chunky. This is not chunky though, but it still is super cute. And then there's the logo in the front, and at the back it just has this little pocket which does not have any zipper, but it's like fully accessible without, you know, the zipper. And on the inside it has a top flap here, which is like halfway in the center, and it opens up like this and has a logo inside, a zipper pocket on the inside. Oh, you know, I'll show you that. Yeah, it a little pocket on the inside with a zipper, and of course two little pockets here, and lots and lots of room. So this is also a wonderful day bag. It looks super stylish. It is lightweight. Oops, sorry, I moved my phone. Yes, it is super stylish, lightweight. It carries a load of stuff, and it is perfect for working ladies as well. It is perfect for office, for even like daytime. It is perfect for casual outings. It's not a party bag, of course, but it's perfect for like everyday and office work. Yeah, that's what I would say. So this is my second favorite. Okay, I do have one Aldo bag. I do not know where it is. I was looking for it, but then I'll have to go and search for it again. But I'm sorry, I will not be able to make that a part of my video, but it is also a beautiful, beautiful bag. I hope I find it because it's worrying me now. Apart from that, the last bag that I do have here is this little flap bag. This is from Charming Charlie. This is a very old bag, but it has lived up to this time without any damage, as you can see. So it has a pocket on the inside with the Charming Charlie logo and the signature print on the inside lining. It flaps closed, and it has this beautiful long silver chain, which is detachable. And this is what I like. I mean, if you want to use it in like some other bag, it will detach pretty nicely. So this can be used as a day clutch also, I believe, and of course as a nice day bag. If you are going on an outing, you don't need to carry a lot of stuff. This is perfect. I take it sometimes when I'm out for like casual shopping and stuff, and I don't have a lot of you know, things to stuff into my bag, and it is super useful. So this is also my go-to bag for, you know, small trips. But I do love it. The blue and the soft beige make a really nice combination. It is simple but yet stylish. Well, of course, thanks to the chain strap. So yes, that's it for my collection of well, my handbags, and I hope you liked it. Please do share with me in the comments how you like the video. If you like my collection, how does your collection look like? Which bags do you have in your collection? And apart from that, please do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and come back for more. Have a great week. Bye.